everybody. I feel like it's been so long. Hope you guys are all doing really well. This month, our science project is a flying parachute guy. It's a really simple craft, you guys. I think you'll have fun doing it. So the first thing we're going to do is make a little man out of pipe cleaners. So you are going to take your pipe cleaner, and you're also going to get directions, so you'll be able to see this, but we're going to just kind of even it out, folding it in half. You're going to decide kind of how big you want your head. You don't want to make it too big. Give it a little twist, and we have a little head. Now you are going to maybe give it a little bit more twist just so you can kind of give him a neck. Pull out one side, make yourselves a little arm for your guy. Okay, pull out the other side, make another little arm. And you're going to fold the rest, the leftover from his arms just down. See how that kind of makes his little legs? But you do want to twist it. I kind of made it uneven. My guy has uneven legs. Can you tell? I guess you can't really tell. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to give them little feet, just kind of a little bend. It's a nice thing about pipe cleaners is they bend really easy and you can kind of make whatever you want. So here's our little guy. Then we're going to use a coffee filter as his parachute. You can use markers and design his parachute if you want. I'm going to leave mine white. So we are going to take your second pipe cleaner. When you made his arms, there's little, there should be like a little hole here. You can fit this pipe cleaner right through the hole so he can hold the string for his parachute. You're going to use these ends and poke a hole just maybe like right about here. I don't know if you can tell, okay? You don't want to make it too far up. You don't want to make it too far down. But you will then fold the pipe cleaner like this. Give it a little twist so it holds on. And one side is on. Now we're going to swing it around and do the same thing on this side. Okay, we got that. So our little pipe cleaner guy has a parachute. It's kind of cute, isn't it? So here's the experiment, everybody. We're going to see if it actually works. It looks like it should. I think it will because this is super light and this is super light. Let's give it a try. All right. So what you want to do is I'm going to climb up on his stool. You guys, maybe if you go outside on like the playground or something and go up, you know, a couple steps to the top of the playground. There we go. Okay. And then drop him down because the higher you can go, the more he'll fly. Like, okay. So I'm as high as I can get here at the library. And I'm going to drop him and see if he flies. Are you watch and see? Oh, it actually worked quite well. It worked really well, everybody. So if you're higher up, this guy is gonna fly pretty cool. So it'll be interesting to see if you're outside, if it'll fly, how it'll fly with the wind. I think it'll be really fun. So you guys have fun making your parachute guys. If you want to send us pictures or videos, that would be awesome. We'd love to see them. You guys enjoy this. And always remember to clean up after yourself. There's not a lot to clean up this time, but just make sure you do for your parents and enjoy your parachute guy. Bye, everybody.